What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visualmodo WordPress teams, and in today's video I'm gonna learn what to do in the case that you can log in on your site. In this case I did log in as a subscriber into the site, but I cannot see the option to log out. So I'm logged in, but I can log out and I can access any profile settings. What to do into this case? This is what we're gonna learn to this video, but before, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button and like this video. After this, go to the browser address bar into the domain and type exactly into the browser address bar. All you have to do is type wp login php question action equal logout. Just like this. Pause the video, copy the code and type enter. This gonna logs you out. Simple, right? After the logout made, all you have to do is log in again. And it gonna works for you. Like this, okay? WP logout. You can copy this code, pause the video, take a screenshot, copy this code, or just do like this. And the true is really important, okay? Type enter, and you're gonna be logged out, okay? Nothing to worry. The logout did work. Simple, right? In the case that it does not work, you can use this other code right here, okay? WP login. Just like this, okay? Simple, easy, and effective. And that is, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below, and I'll see you guys later. All the best!